Hi students, today we will be discussing Erikson theory. It is known as psychosocial developmental theory and also lifespan developmental theory. It is known as lifespan developmental theory because it runs throughout the lifespan of the person starting with the birth till the end of the individual. And the psychosocial developmental theory because the social factor is affecting the individual very much. The personality, the psyche of the person will be based on the social factor. जो सोसाइटी है वो काफी डिसाइड करती है कि इंसान का पर्सनालिटी क्या होगा. The surrounding people will affect the individual in very much way. Let's discuss regarding Erikson, what Erikson believed while he gave this theory. Well, what he says that development is a social in nature. As you can see that social factor is affecting the individual. तो जो भी development हो रहा है इंसान में, it is very much social in nature and result of a desire to affiliate with other people. वो आसपास के लोगों के साथ किस तरह से रहता है ये चीज डिसाइड करती है कि उसका डेवलपमेंट किस दिशा में होगा. अ पर्सन एनकाउंटर्स 8 डेवलपमेंटल स्टेजेस इन लाइफ. ओके, टोटल हम 8 स्टेजेस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. देयर विल बी 8 स्टेजेस एंड एवरी स्टेज विल हैव क्राइसिस. हर स्टेज के अंदर मुसीबतें हैं, क्राइसिस है. Two extremes है. Extremes are not good for the every stage. There should be harmony, there should be a balance way of two of them. We will discuss them. Okay, and the more successful an individual resolves the crisis, the healthier developmental will be. Okay, let's see the first stage, which is trust versus mistrust. Well, here we have two extremes, and extremes are not good. As I told you, we need a balanced version of this. We can say the age and time period for this stage is first year of life. 0 to 1, we can say birth to the first year of life will be stage 1. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट ईयर के लाइफ स्पैन जो होती है उसमें बच्चा किसके साथ सबसे ज्यादा रहता है? मदर. ओके, सो मदर विल डिसाइड कि ये स्टेज पार होगा कि नहीं, ये स्टेज सक्सेसफुल होगा कि नहीं. अभी बच्चे को केयर फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या चाहिए? केयर चाहिए, कंफर्ट चाहिए, वार्मथ चाहिए, फूड चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें मदर सबसे पहले प्राइमरीली दे सकती है. एंड अगर मदर इज गिविंग इट वेरी मच अफेक्शनेट वे में अगर दे रही है, then the sense of trust will be generated, a hope, the virtue towards life will be generated. And if the mother is not making it properly, then what will happen? Mistrust will be generated. The child will feel abandoned inside and will not able to connect with other people very easily. So trust will be generated or mistrust will be generated is dependent on the mother. It can be dependent, maybe in case of absence of mothers other people can take charge, but still we can say primarily basically mother is more responsible for this. It will be more good for child that mother will do it. Okay, I think first stage is clear. Second one is autonomy versus shame and doubt. Now, the time period or age for this stage is 1 to 3 year of life. Now, child is kind of, starting crawling and trying to walk by himself. That is autonomy. He wants to do his own stuff. Kind of, थोड़ी clothes बदलते time kind of buttoning करना. ये सारी चीजें wants to take autonomy. But if child is not able to take autonomy, shame and doubt about himself will be generated. That, am I able to do this or not? Doubting himself will be generated. Now, this can be generated even if the parents are overprotective. Sometimes what happens, parents are good. They are able to clear the first stage, that giving warmth and all. But if they're overprotective, this stage is not going to make clear, because child is not able to take autonomy. Child needs to take autonomy because now he need to generate a will. उसको इच्छा जनरेट होनी चाहिए that I am able to do this. उसको कोई डाउट नहीं रहना चाहिए अपने पे. Next stage is initiative versus guilt. Now, this is above the autonomy versus shame and doubt, that or after generating autonomy, now child is wants to take initiative, like I can do this and only I can do this, that thing is coming. Like he is impressing mom and dad that I am taking initiatives, learning by himself, kind of थोड़ी थोड़ी पेंटिंग्स करना सीख सकता है, छोटे छोटे मम्मी को ऐसे छोटा छोटा काम करके देता है, he is taking initiative now, he is because becoming more physical strong also, up to 5 years तो वो थोड़ा strong हो जाता है. And if again, if second stage is not clear, third will be definitely not clear, that he will feel guilty that I'm not able to do anything or such things. Like if he's abandoned, then वो तो फिर guilt, वो किसको impress करेगा mom and dad में से, like if he's not having anybody to show his worth, what he will do. So this stage is also very important. Second stage is very important for third stage, and every stage is actually important. Clear होना हर stage का बहुत जरूरी है, कि वो अगर वो stage clear नहीं होगा तो आगे वाला stage भी clear नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे पर्पस जनरेट हो रहा है कि लाइफ का पर्पस उसको अभी आगे थोड़ा, बिकॉज नाउ ही इज एबल टू थिंक बेटर एंड ऑल्सो फिजिकली स्ट्रांग भी है. The fourth stage is industry versus inferiority. Now, ahead of the third stage, industry means child is becoming hardworking. Abhi now child is, because of the age is 6 to puberty, like 6 to 11 year age lifespan में ये stage होता है. तो यहाँ पे अभी बच्चा स्कूल जा रहा है. Now he's making new friends, he's meeting teachers, everybody. Now he wants to take initiative, impress everybody, and even becoming competitive to others, like peers के साथ थोड़ी सी competition, थोड़ी healthy competition भी होती है. Now he is making small goals, like थोड़ा hard working करके सबको खुश करना, खुद का self confidence generate करना, then थोड़ी skills वगैरह develop होती है, गेम्स वगैरह खेलता है. ही नीड टू बी गेट praised आफ्टर विनिंग ऑफ गेम्स, इवन आफ्टर लूजिंग ऑल्सो थोड़ा अप्रिशिएशन चाहिए. अगर if he is not able to do all these things, inferiority will be generated, like I'm not able to do anything, kind feeling will be generated if he is not allowing to go for outside for gaming, and all the time he will feel like I'm not able to do certain things and feel inferior. He is not feeling worth. Okay. Now fifth stage is identity versus identity confusion. Obviously identity नहीं generate होगी तो role confusion होगा उसको. This is like stage will comes like puberty to 20 year. Now obviously यहाँ पे particular this lifespan में person is now able to find his real goals of life, what he career wise, what he want to do or not. If this thing is not happening, if he is not getting proper praise and proper advice, and abandoned by others, then he will not know regarding his role in life, identity will be confused. And if he is getting good environment from the society, identity, he will able to generate his own good identity. We have seen that इसी एज में बच्चे बिगड़ जाते हैं, स्मोकिंग वगैरह शुरू हो जाता है, सारे ड्रग्स इवेंट्स ये सारे इसी एज में जनरली होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर कंफ्यूज्ड एंड प्रॉपर केयर नहीं मिला उनको. Now next stage is intimacy versus isolation. Now this stage is like adulthood है, 20 to 30 year, जहाँ पे the person is searching for a love relationship. Okay, if the person is able to find the proper love relationship, intimate relationship, then उसका ये वाला stage clear हो जाएगा. He will now able to think, make family and all. And if the लव्ड वन से दूर हो जाएगा या फिर उसको प्रॉपर नहीं मिलेगा रिलेशनशिप, तो वो आइसोलेट हो जाएगा. आगे की लाइफ में किसके लिए वो काम करेगा, वो उसके लिए रोल चला जाएगा, तो दिस स्टेज विल नॉट क्लियर. Now next stage is seventh, which is generativity versus stagnation. Now अभी यहाँ पे 40 to 50 year age, like ना आफ्टर बच्चे वगैरह हो जाते उसके बाद का स्टेज है कि नाउ यहाँ पे ये पर्सन इज नॉट डूइंग स्टफ फॉर हिमसेल्फ बट डूइंग दिस ऑल द लाइफ स्टफ फॉर अदर्स, लाइक उसके बच्चों के लिए कर रहा है कि वो जनरेटिव बन रहा है एंड हेल्प कर रहा है अपने बच्चों की, एंड सोसाइटी के लिए बच्चों के साथ साथ ही इज नाउ एबल टू डू वर्थ फॉर सोसाइटी ऑल्सो। बट इफ बिकॉज आगे का स्टेज क्लियर नहीं हुआ है एंड इवन इन दिस स्टेज द पर्सन इज maybe some kind having some kind of characteristic like he's greedy and not able to help others also, so stagnation, that person's mind is stagnated, he will be stagnated. लास्ट स्टेज इज इंटीग्रिटी वर्सेस डिस्पेयर। अभी पूरा लाइफ स्पेन 60 ईयर ऑनवर्ड में अभी पर्सन ने इतने साल क्या किया है वो क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा। अभी ऑब्वियसली एक टाइम आता है ना लास्ट में दैट पर्सन इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाट आई हैव डन, व्हाट आई हैव अचीव्ड, kind of questions. Now here, if the answers are satisfactory, that I have done, I got the good person in my life, I got children, I helped others, I all I did which is I have decided everything is good, ये चीज अगर नहीं आई और उसको लाइफ में वो चीज नहीं मिली जो उसने चाही थी, what actually he wanted, सबको inside heart, deep down heart, everybody knows that what he wants, okay, अगर ये चीज उसको नहीं satisfactory मिली तो फिर यहाँ पे डिस्पेयर हो जाएगा उसको, मतलब पूरी मतलब लाइफ उसको वर्थलेस लगने लगेगी। एंड इफ गेटिंग satisfactory answer then पूरा kind of nirvana is getting at this stage. Okay, so we discussed all the 8 stages, and if you can tell me in comments that if you want for the educational implication, we can go for that because they're very interesting. So tell me that you want educational implication for this stage or not in comment. Okay, bye.